Your face is not in it.
Say hi. Say bye. Say hi. Wait. Where am I made it? Where am I made it?
Oh my grandma eat food at a time. I made zero. That short my tired. Yeah, man. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Me have to talk like this from now on and gesture with my hand. Hey, how you doing? How are you? Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah, but come off a straw my fingernail back to back. So it's AJ there. In my girl school, but it's too early. Every day I start eat banana, but me have to come telling her how I'm just so emotional. I love banana. I'm just so emotional because today is the 17th of May, and last year them time, yeah, me get up early in the morning. I tell mommy say, me I going to labor today because guess what? I already have two due dates. The 11th and the 17th. And last year, she a AJ. Last year, them time I swear say yes, me are going to labor. And so I start to tell mommy say me are going to labor. So I just feel emotional. I know my baby actual birthday come up. Just give me a minute, okay? Okay, I'm back. Now that I've collected myself, I'm back. Anyways, me I make some banana pancake for Erin. So I just go for the banana. She love banana. She prefer the pancake when the banana in there. And let me tell you something. Ira is off the breast. Okay, from Tuesday. I'm not breastfeed Ira today Friday. And the first day and night was the roughest. And honestly, last night she no wake up. None at all. I couldn't believe. I make some mint tea for her and keep it in one of them. Call them something that will keep the thing warm. I don't know me attack. And she no wake up. None at all. I couldn't believe she sleep right through the night. So I feel nice about that. And let me tell you something. There have been those who thought they could bully me into stop breastfeeding my baby. Let me tell you something. This was my decision. It was the right time for the both of us to stop breastfeeding. So can none of y'all bully me? I will breastfeed her till she have 5 if, well, time pass, but you understand what I say? Yeah, man, but me I make like a pancakes for my baby. So right now, I have to get up and cook for her every morning because I know say she don't want the formula. She see her uncle, so she not gonna really stay at me. But right now, I got eat corn. Up which one there a sweet corn at the in thing now. You know when time the farmer them a plant, them always have one thing with all of them plant with that Irish yam. Right now, everybody a plant corn and a sweet corn. I'ma say. Nice. Right now, I warm up one. I eat from yesterday. Mama cook some baby and saltfish and I'll start to re. So I just add up one of the corn them. And then I'm going to make my little thing for my baby because I'm not sure if we're going on the road today. But we're going to see. I soon come. Why am I not bother going away? Honestly, I feel like I can't look on the sun. Oh, no, I manage. I can't live in that eat. I don't know say black dry eat. So I hotter than the whole out now. But I never bother going away because I start cool my ear and my hand just hurt me. So I say, never mind that. But me and Irie go down the road. I will just take a decent little nap. I say I can't believe. I find it so surprising how Irie sleep so much better now that she not depend the breast. That makes sense. But I can't keep on for long because I there push Irie and I go down the road. Well, I'll get something for eat now. I don't feel for cook, so I might buy one like a sausage for Irie and a like a true juice or something like that. But I say, I'm showing Irie. I have to rub her down in a sunscreen. Say hi. She not in it. I rub her down in a sunscreen. Come on, make the sun mash her up, man. I'm a teeth out some of her too. Even though I have my own, my teeth out for her own because it already in my hand. So right now we are going down the road. I'm not sure me I go buy it. I'm not really sure me I go buy, but I just have to pick one up and I tell her no what I go. So come. I don't know if you realize thing. Oh Jesus! I don't know if you realize that me and Ari alone there home, but I just buy sausage for her because I tell her I can't bother for go cook you know. Even though she have some porridge in the fridge, but Ari is very funny, you know. You see if she drink the porridge this morning, she don't want no more. So I just like, girl, like a snack now because she's not really hungry. But just like, girl, like a snack now and then. Later she can get like a porridge and I just buy true juice for her. But I throw water on it because I like buy the one with no sugar, but them not have it down the road. I just throw some whole heap of water on it because time actually need to drink water. But Syria, I don't know why she have to eat 2 sausage one time. But I'm going to read the book to her. We try to read one book every day. And when I say one book, you know, set in a stone. Because I see like this a book I look funny. You know, very thick, you know. But I really not go sit down with me read the whole of this. Like by the time I read 3 pages, she gone about her business. But I don't really mind as long as I get to read even a little bit 2 hours a day. That's good enough for me. You want juice? I still eat. We're gonna read this book. Come. Man, I'm about to roll up your sausage milk on the book. I'm gonna drop. Hold on. Whoa. We're gonna read this book. It's called If Big Can, I Can, and it's by Beth Shoshan. I feel like a Shoshan. A Shoshan that. You know me not eat that. If Big can run, then I can run. Though not as quick, I'm only small. If Big can jump, then I can jump. And Big leaps long, long away. If Big can swing, then I can swing. As Big swings high into the sky, I'll get there too one day, I'm sure. If Big can climb, then I can climb. It's just I have to take my time to get all to the places Big can climb to with one stretch. One is a bear. I'm not sure what type of bear this is. One is a bear. They're both bears, but I'm not sure what type of bear this is. This one is a koala bear. I'm sure about that. If Big can see, then I can... Yeah, box down the phone, fam. If Big can... Look at the pictures. You want to see? If Big can see, then I can soar. Up, up I go into the air. I never thought I'd get so high. But now that Big is on the ground, how will I get down? How will I get down? How will I get down? But what if Big can't get in places only I can squeeze inside? I'd find the treasures, rule the roost, be number 1, and Big would never know I'm having fun. Here I can swing into the air and stretch to climb and soaring high into the air and digging deep, but Big's not there. I'm all alone and that's no fun. Whatever Big can and whatever I can. Me there start chat. Me not realize every time I drop the phone a while ago, the video stop record. So everything what me just say a while ago just gone. I mean, remember what me just say. Oh, only never see say Ari did that beat me. Ari are lucky because the video evidence is gone. To me I tell her to scream. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream. Scream. Ah! Ah! Row, row, row. You sing row, row? Row. You hear her? Yeah, man, but I just said to you, so one time me and Ari alone there, I saw we do read a little book. Sometimes I try to comb out her ear because I want to see how it stays. Sometimes I try to comb it out and give her 2 little plait, even though I can't plait so 100. But I have the fingernail, so I can't really. I could have do it, you know. But I now go cooperate, and then to me have the thing, I don't want mistake and dry her ear, so. But that's gonna make it stay. Our granny will come with fear because y'all know we're going out for her birthday, which is Monday. I keep on saying it. We might take a little walk when time we're done. We might make sure watch a little bit of Miss Rachel when she get bored. Because she does get bored. One thing we realize when time me and Harry there by herself, she not like that. She will laugh with me and everything. Did I see one point to come like she just tired to see my face? I don't want to come like she dry up with me. So me probably make sure watch a little bit of Miss Rachel at that point, but she not gonna watch Wally because me only allow Harry 1 hour of screen time per day, and most days she not even reach the hour. You make sure watch one little 15 minutes and then that's it. We read a book, we take a walk. Me chat to her just like how me chat to Uno right now, so me chat to Harry. So yeah, we just go on easy back and everything. Right now Harry have some porridge in the fridge. I did boil from there. Where you going? But probably I go warm up some because I know that Harry get the Pediasure them from foreign. Harry don't want the Pediasure them. The little girl don't want the Pediasure. The other day I give her some because I say if she not drink them might as well one next little baby drink some. But you know what I do? Like when I make porridge for her, instead I use the water, I just use the Pediasure and make the porridge. So that the way I never bother put no milk nor nothing. So you see me put the Pediasure in there nice. I probably go drink some when I'm done. Not in a lie. But yeah, if we're doing anything interesting throughout the day, we pick on back up. Because I say me and Ariel alone there. So we're going to go and vibe out. Me want to watch one show. But as I say about the screen time, I don't like when Ariel take in too much of the screen. So as long as she's awake, I don't bother turn on the TV. So when she drop asleep now, I go watch Thor, The Dark World. I watch the Marvel movie them. I don't know if you don't like them something there. But me I try to watch the Marvel movie them in order. So right now I reach Thor part 2. So when I drop asleep again, that me I go watch different from that. The place does at my does there, so you know, so yeah, me pick up, yeah. Well, I don't know too tall. Like I try to bring you down. Yes, that's good. Shit, wrong way. Me and Harry the right, so I forgot to have them white clothes here. Why I did wash, but them never come out good. Somebody that put them in the couple each one have a soak, so I'm gonna rinse them and put them on. Harry the right here, so I'm gonna show you Harry quick. Look here. Why Harry try to climb up on top of the stroller? Little girl, come down. Get down. Can you sit, please? Here, I'm carry close speed for you to play with. Here. So, then I need to wash them clean already. Nobody come for me, them clean. But also put them on the line because sun at. And that tired there, I'm going to wash out. Somebody just hurry up because I really like stay one place too long. Somebody just hurry up and scrub them out. And this done. But you want to go sit in a Suavitel there, I just fully up back a Suavitel. You can go and watch Irie for me, wait them. Yeah, I want to go and make sure she behave herself. Okay, mommy? Where are you going? Where are you going? Can you sit, please? I'm here telling you to watch Aaron. Look how you make the little girl stand up in the pram. What she drop? What are you going to tell me? What do you think you can tell me, Starry? Why are you showing me tired, girl, child? Yeah, man. White like Jesus file. There you had 2 rags in here. So I'm going to put them up, make them dry. Be careful. What do you mean no? What you talk about no? You're not be careful. You're not gonna be careful. Hmm? You see yourself over there? I draw the line. I draw the line. I don't know what kind of babysitter I want to be. Can you sit, please? Can you drop your clothespin them? Here. Here. So you can sit now? Can you sit, please? Thank you. Oh no, now you know some. I like on a style, you know. I'm telling you for watch Ariana over there like say. I don't understand the assignment. You okay? Are you okay? Harry? Are you okay? Huh? Should behave? Did you behave yourself? Yeah, I'm gonna pin out them something I know. And if you can't see. When you can't see, tell me, you know, talk to me, let me know what's going on. This is one of the towels that I confiscated from the hotel. White. I also confiscated this rag. Why did you throw it away? You don't want it? Yeah, my white shirt this door sound I can't sound no one say. Sorry, Mama. Got wet? Make them little space so they can dry. Cause I should have picked them out from morning. I'm coming, lovey. Here you go. I'm coming. Whoa. See the mattress, the old mattress, I take off on my bed. Me hear mommy say she planned to get to one man and she say asleep on the road. And while I think it's a nice thought, me know what am I gonna do? Because like me see him change spot, so I don't know I'm gonna carry the mattress with him. Drive back home, am I gonna sleep on him? I don't know, but honestly the mattress all it. I don't remember how the mattress stayed full of hole and all sort of something. All sort of dent. So I don't know what gonna become of it. First my used to say she go catch it a fire. Everything mommy burn up. But yeah, me and Area go and chill out right now. I know so she's soon ready for her next nap a little bit after 2 right now. I take 2 naps for the day and that's it. What do you mean no? What do you mean no? What are you talking about? You don't want me to talk about you? No. I shouldn't talk about you? No. So I'm not to call your name? I'm not supposed to call your name? No. Okay, I understand. No problem. No, yeah, I understand. I hear your name, you have all right. Yes, you have all right, Irie. I won't call your name anymore. This is how you treat me. 20 hours I labored with you. 20 hours. It's okay, it's fine. So, I don't know, I don't want to take a little walk, but toward the sun stay right now. I don't know, we'll probably just go sit down on the veranda because of the coolest place right now. So, we'll probably go sit down a little bit, chill out. I know it's Iris soon ready for go sleep, but she's not quite ready yet, so. Me and her go and chat and thing. You hear the truck? Chuck. Chuck. Later on, please to add the camera. Alright, I will take a little nap right now. A minutes to 4. I will take one little nap. I'm saying I watch the TV. So I watch the TV so low. Cause I don't want to wake up Irie. I'm telling you, Irie easy for wake up. One man go fire one little play a gun in the show and Irie jump up. So me and her take a little walk. AJ come from school. Hi. So the way I take a little walk around here. So then we are gonna come back. Irie probably wants something to eat now. I drink out some of her porridge when she does sleep. I don't know if you know when you and me are telling us say I get the Pediasure them and I don't want to drink the Pediasure them, so I don't want them go to waste. I just take them like when I make porridge for her, I just use the Pediasure make porridge, so I don't bother put the milk in there. And through it turning in the fridge and I can't make porridge go the tick till it come like one dumplings. I just throw a little bit more Pediasure upon it and tea up nice. Drink off some, because I left some for Irene. So when we come back up I see if she want that. Give me back. Yeah, so we take a little stroll around at the bush right and put on back my cap because I know so the sun is treacherous. Now look at the day done, you know. Right now it's 7 minutes past 6. I couldn't pick her up because I know I just me and Irie there and she needs my full attention. But I just take up the money because I see the ice cream and I pass. Yes, so I'm gonna buy one naughty body. No, it's dirty. I'm gonna buy a naughty birdie. A $600 feet. So I'm gonna buy one. Irie, you're not getting any. I hope you know that. I'm not getting any of my ice cream, little girl. You okay? Are you okay? Irie? What are you thinking about, sir? What are you thinking about? Nothing? Oh, you're good. You're good. Oh, okay. Just checking. Some of us there start anticipate for Irie birthday. You see how she almost dropped me. Say, "Pay swing, Irie, swing back in. God go with me." Mama there, so I beg mama buy one pepperoni thing for me. If I know say Nancy, you know say cross the road from where the floor place they used to there. One boy said, "Man, sorry." But I don't mean nothing by it. Yeah, man, one guy they cross the road, him jerk him like a pepperoni and him put bacon pan it, him put baloney, all sort of something fatty something what I like so. Oh, I'm soon calling about eat the ice cream and I come near. I never hear say you're not getting none of my ice cream. I never hear. I never hear say you're not getting none of my ice cream. Nice. Yummy. It's sweet, yeah. People at the next day. What's the leaf? Mr. Mama got one whole bag of mango. Irie she come like she not like mango. But the month me eat when time I'm pregnant. She must get her film. Love mango. You want some? And it's sweet, you know. Sure, no. I love banana. That's the only fruit I know she love. I can't make no see me car. The short can meshy. Irie don't eat the skin, okay? I mean I give you the actual mango, you don't want it. I say if I not say you eat mango, you don't know if you eat mango. Because when you peel off the skin, you have to come so. Understand me? Irie, that's what you think if you eat the skin. To me, I go out so. Wait there. You don't want any? No. Why you don't want any? She don't want it. No what? Is that Irie? Is that Irie? Irie? Left. Is it mango or lip gloss? Nobody knows. Take it, man. You know you want it. Take it. Take it.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Careful. Oops. I can't tell, says my second mango dish. Leave me alone. I don't want to see much mango over there. Yum, yum, yum. Are you living lavish, yeah? Living lavish, mate. Hmm? Look on her. Look at her with foot. Ari, be careful, you know. I mean, know why you have to put the whole banana in your mouth. I don't even know if you can see how me I read. The ball, me just stay a ball, you know. Queer. One was those sting me. I tell you, say normally I'm the ball for them something, but I just fed up at the third was this bite me in a 3 day. For the past 3 days, every day one was bite me. So I was so. What's so? I know this I was coming back in my face. I have to cry, man. I just... No, no. I'm going to go down the road right now. I'm going to buy one pyro and I'm going to buy a lighter. Don't worry on yourself. Because I think I'm going to wait till I sting my pitney. I'm going to wait. I'm a pitney, them want to come for next. Yeah, man. Sort out. Then don't bite me already. 3 of them sting me. Tired down. With a move with Irie. Irie, your mother never want to be a murderer, you know. Your mother never want to be a murderer. But them a take it too far. You till it breeze though. Me not fit spray, you don't know if you do nothing.
Run,
Come. Come. Come, come. Come now. You can't learn, you know I go feel. You can't hear, you know I go feel if you can't hear. If you can't hear, you know I go feel. If you can't hear, you know I go feel. Feel, man, feel. Play with me, you know I go learn. You know I go learn the hard way today. Yeah. Go and go tell no cousin them, say, hide under the bed. Hide in the hive. Everybody I get it. Everybody. Nah, run. Me tired for run. Run for me life. Me tired for run. Me tired for run. Come now. You come now. Batty boy, come. Come fishing. Come fishing. You wanna come? You come? What I wanna come? Come with no friend then. Come with no friend then. Come with no friend then. What I wanna gang up on? Gang up on come now. You no gang up on come now. Me a ramp. Me a ramp. You no gang up and come. You no gang up. Go for no friend then. Go for no friend them. Me hold on. Yeah man, you no go for no friend them. Fatty boy. You no go for no friend them and run come. know about this thing around ya. Why? You know about this thing. You know bad than me. No, no, stand up. You know run. Don't fly away. You know bad. You know bad. Stand up. Stand up. Hold on. Stand up. You know bad. You know bad. I don't run from.
I lost you. I lost.
Watch it. Fishy. Watch it. Fish.
What?
Watch it, man. Fire! Feel like a Capleton grow me. I want to feel safe. Watch it. What do you mean if they're dead? Yeah, and time they come back, they're going to perish.
Fire, breathe a blow. Fire,
Next thing I'm a picnic, you know where I come from. Right, I think I was staying. Send phone friend them, no? No, man, I wait army there. I think you did bad. You know when I go on like you bad. You know when I go on like you bad, you know fi run, you fi stand up. You know fi run. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Mommy, watch it with her. Watch it. Come in on a mission. Everyone now who know are dead. I don't know around here. I could circle back and see if any survivors around there.
One more, don't mess up.
Any survivors? Okay, survivors around here. Survivors around here? Okay.
Hi. Yeah. So me and you kill. So what? Yeah. Yeah, bro. This video. Yes, I mean, yeah, bro. So me and yeah, bro, I clean some. So what's done, yeah? Because then the. I number the play top.
Number up there?
Yeah.
Oh, so yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
You see, yeah, sure.
Yes.
Guys, I'd like to sincerely apologize for that violent outburst. But you know, I was just so overcome with anger because if you don't look, you can see my face swell, you know. You can literally see my face swell. I'm going to wait for them to bite up my picnic. Now go so in this. So anyways, now that the violence is over, here's a little update. So as you know, as I keep saying, Monday is going to be Irie's birthday. However, we're going to be going out on Sunday instead because our daddy wants to come. He wants to be involved and you know, I'm not going to shun him. Not going to shun him, but the thing is he wants to bring his son, Irie's half brother. So, I don't know, say Monday I going to be school. So he asked me if I could have go Sunday instead, which I just say yes because you know our brother, he want to see her and chill out with her. So I just say yeah. So we're gonna be going out tomorrow. Without just lay down on the old mattress. The mattress I'm gonna take off from bed. But I was flinging under the little cool shade. Under the almond tree right just like, oh god, the breeze feel nice. Oh yeah. Yeah man, but now that the wasp them gone, I can relax, I can breathe easy. All in my room then, all in my room, I go in there, go burn them down like Capleton. That's what I never can and show no. I burn them up. Then come and make this up in the mirror, but now make them back, my baby. But yes, we're gonna be going tomorrow instead of Monday. So I'm not decide yet if I don't think I'm gonna do nothing else Monday because Irie's just gonna be a year old. She doesn't understand, but I just want to make sure that I'm doing something. And as I tell her, I get back her picture them. Oh my god, I can't wait to see them. I can't believe my baby a third one already. Like, I'm so emotional. But anyways, I have some more plans for her. I'm not going to tell her because I know I'm going to vlog it. So, anyway, I don't know if I'm going to braid my ear. From morning, I tell mom I'm going to cut off my ear and I just feel tired out. I feel like I'm going to cut it right off and put like a color in them. I'm not going to process it, but I might cut it right off and put like a color in them. I can't bother with it. But I don't know if I might just braid it, might just plait it bigger or something. Because I'm tired of it. I don't know, you know what, you know? If I'm telling you, me I wash it, I know I wash it. I'm going to wash it today. I'm supposed to go up on the road. I'm not sure if I'll get for this run and go and come back. I'm supposed to pick up some food, you know. But if I go back now, I can't come. I just make a really quick run and come back, and then I don't know if I go just make one lady right over here to braid my ear. But I'm gonna close out this video here because as you know, I'm gonna be vlogging for tomorrow. Probably not gonna post it till Monday when I actual birthday. So I'm gonna close out this video. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe to AJ. Come on, I made. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. You know, say me I gonna lick AJ. More from back at me. But yeah, man, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, now, man. Do the like the video. Like the video. Yeah, man. But me will see you on it tomorrow. Bye, guys. Peace.